Jumbo mortgages are home purchase loans that are required for financing that is above the conforming and FHA loan limits. Conforming loans, those sold to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, have a loan limit of $417,000 in most areas of the country. In high-cost areas, the conforming loan limit can be as high as $625,500. The FHA loan limit is currently $729,750, depending on the location of the property. These loan limits are set according to the individual counties within each state. Jumbo mortgages are commonly used in high-cost states such as California, New York, and Virginia. When the housing crisis occurred several years ago, the secondary market for jumbo mortgages just about disappeared. For a period of time, these mortgages were almost impossible to obtain since lenders were now required to hold these notes within their own portfolio. As time passed and bank assets improved, jumbo mortgages re-entered the market as lenders became more willing to support these loans. However, jumbo mortgage guidelines are stricter than conforming mortgages due to the amount of funds involved in the transaction. While the required documentation is similar to what is necessary for conforming mortgages, lenders will look closely at the stability of the information provided. Although each lender determines their own guidelines for jumbo mortgages, there are general guidelines that borrowers can refer to for information. Jumbo loans require a minimum down payment of 20% in most cases, but this can be more or less depending on what the lender sees in the loan file or their own guidelines. The debt-to-income ratio, DTI, is usually limited to a maximum of 45%. Excellent credit is required and will need to be at least a 700 credit score and above. The higher the score is, the better the results. While U.S. citizens are eligible for jumbo mortgages, permanent resident aliens are also acceptable, as is the case with other types of mortgages. Substantial assets are required to fund the down payment, but are also necessary to support the normal guideline that requires 12 months of mortgage payments for reserves. Jumbo mortgages for second homes are now acceptable again with some lenders. Each lender is different, and depending on the circumstances and quality of the loan file, can be flexible with terms and guidelines. At the same time, jumbo mortgage rates are currently low and competitive and not much above conforming mortgage rates. Since these loans are considered profitable for lenders, many will be flexible with their guidelines when confronted with a well-qualified borrower who presents a strong loan file.